welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. I want to jump right in with the food items that I found. I found some good finds today. I got some of this Tapico mango punch and a Hawaiian punch fruit juicy red. And it's the start of summer. I'm going to be helping babysit my sister's 2 kids. So I got some things for the kids today. Skittles freezer pops. Some of these Munch Right cheddar and sour cream baked puffs. Some Oreos. Some Chips Ahoy cookies. Just to try. I was just curious, but they had frozen donuts today, and I'd never seen these there. But donut time glazed donuts. So that was interesting. For a couple quick lunches for Connor, I got some of these, or one of these macaroni and cheese. And then I did pick up a cheese pizza microwave for just a quick lunch for a couple things for Connor. I was curious about trying this beef and broccoli Asian style. I love stuff like this. And then I finally found these again. These are the spring rolls. And I picked up 2 packages of these today. I forgot this Pop Rocks 3-pack crackling gum. I thought Aiden and Connor would enjoy this one day that they are spending together. And I got a bunch of house stuff. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree, you guys, and I know over a month anyways. But I went ahead and grabbed the Good Scents handle bags. I grabbed 2 of those today. They're so hard to find sometimes. My scent booster, the Aloe's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent, which I love. This is probably one of my favorite fabric sheets from the Dollar Tree, and it's the Breezy Jasmine Lotus. I know this has fabric softener in it. I know that I don't technically have to get these, but anything to give my laundry some extra scent and static free effect, I'm all for it. So I'm gonna continue to purchase that. I got some AA batteries, some sponges, my foil back there that fell, 3 of the strong and soft bath tissues. I actually really like this bath tissue. I have no issues with it, so I got 3 of those. I got a box of tissues, the Scotty brand. I got some stuff for the bathroom, a Bowl Fresh air freshener. I like these sometimes. I'll use these sometimes. I did get a Glade lavender and peach blossom scent for air freshener, a Glade clean linen for the bathroom. I love these. They last about a month and a pretty strong scent. They work great in small areas. And then I got an Arm & Hammer Fresh Sensations Carpet Odor Eliminator. I recently got a new vacuum, and I've been really extremely motivated to vacuum the floor. So, which I did anyways, but having a new one just makes it so much better. And I got this in the Island Mist. And also, if you need some super cleaning motivation, I'm just going to name a few. Fearfully Created, Kimi Cope, Gypsy. Anyway, I can't remember for sure if those are their exact channel names. So I'm going to link about 4 ladies that I love to watch clean in the description box below. I got a toilet brush. It's been a while since I've seen the toilet brush and the holder there. And last time I just purchased the brush and kept my old holder. This time I purchased the whole thing because they had it. I also got a Fresh Linen Sure Scents candle. Love these little candles. And finally, my Dollar Tree had the LA's Totally Awesome all-purpose concentrated cleaner. So I picked that up. Hey, and today I also found the LA's Totally Awesome Grill Oven Cleaner. Cleans and degreases and tough on grease. So I am really, really excited about trying this because, as you all know, I've mentioned we've recently got a grill and we've done a ton of grilling. We've cleaned it once before, but we didn't have any kind of like degreaser or anything. So I'm curious to see how well this will actually work. Some doggy finds today. I did find the Surgeon's Bansect. It's a flea and tick control for dogs. Wanted to maybe try this. We'll see. And I just got this as a substitute until I can get to Walmart. And I got him the Purina Beneful Originals. And for his treats, I found this cute little container. They have black, red, and blue. Also, another totally random thing. I picked up just a black cheap rug. $1 rug. I also picked up one of these dish racks. These also are very hard to come by at the Dollar Tree. at least mine anyways, and I picked one of these up, and I may use it for palettes, or I may use it in my cabinet. I have not decided yet. Just picked up one for now. Another extremely awesome find at my Dollar Tree was these ginormous, huge bins. Like, huge. Biggest bins I've ever seen at the Dollar Tree, to be honest. So I got a pink one and a gray one, and actually that's the only two they had. I figured I might use one for water balloons and one for the blankets that come off of the couch, just a couple little throws, and put that in the corner. I haven't decided yet. There are two of them. Okay, this haul's a little all over the place as well, but I'm a little disorganized today. I'm trying to get this filmed, but I got one of these hand towels. I picked it up in black this time, because I feel like I can use these, and if they get nasty, if they get dirty, or if I want to use them for a cleaning rag or something like that, it was $1, doesn't matter. I picked up these plackers, and it's got the twin line in them. Get 35 of those. Some Fisher-Price wipes, and some of this kids bubblegum mouthwash. A couple other container scores today. I got the smaller container for sugar. I've been thinking about that for a while, so I was so glad they had them. And I got another big one for cereal. And spoiler. Anyways, I picked up this giant popcorn bucket. I have the two smaller ones, but we don't use those near as often. I think that we'll use this one more, actually, because it's bigger. But we bought a projector, and we've been watching movies on the projector, and we're going to start watching movies because it's getting warmer outside. So I thought this would just be great to have. A super fun find is this nice blue cup. It says Summer Vibes, and it's a golden pineapple. I thought this was the cutest one they had, and I told myself I don't need any more cups, but this does match my Pioneer Woman glasses. The color does. Stationery kind of items, some activities for the kids. I got one of these art pads. I asked Connor, do you want the huge jumbo pad or do you want a smaller one? He said jumbo. The big paper, Mom. He loves to draw. Fun fact. I got them some water balloons. I bought this, I don't know, like, I know these are pretty expensive for the size at Walmart, and this is a base plate for Legos, and their blocks too. Connor has an obsession with Lego figures and blocks, so I also grabbed them this desktop cornhole, mini cornhole kind of game, so I thought that was kind of fun for them. And then I also picked them up this SpongeBob SquarePants sticker by number activity book. Over 100 stickers. And yeah, I think they'd really enjoy this as well. And Connor also got one of his favorite, he calls them fireworks because they really only come out during firework or New Year's. And these are the TNT Poppets. So I've got two of those. Book time! Yes, I've almost finished reading my second Dollar Tree book. I may or may not do a review on it, but most likely. I got Dealing in Dreams. It sounded kind of interesting, so I am excited to read this. It's different. I love the cover of this, and the hardback, you can tell, is yellow as well. And then for Connor, because he actually reads above a kindergarten level, he's actually he's going into first grade this fall. Yay! My baby, he's growing up. But the Minions, the junior novel. And it's based on the animated feature. And this was an awesome find. He loves to read. And I think that he's more than capable of reading a lot of these words that are in the book. And if he needs any help, obviously I'm going to be right there to help him. But I think you'll be excited for this Minions junior novel. Just found some more bathroom kind of items. And bath time, Connor picked up the Crayola bathtub finger paint. And this one's Screamin' Green and Radical Red. And these bath bombs, he loves bath bombs. These actually, we've had them in the past. It smells so good. Galactic Vanilla Berry. And two of these magic washcloths. And I actually picked this one out. It's a baby Yoda. And he picked Superman out. Oh my god. Love Baby Yoda. And I picked up these Assured Allergy Relief pills. And these are comparable to Zyrtec. So, needed those. And some of my favorite finds today. I've had a lot of favorite finds this haul. They've been scattered throughout. But I'm excited about the new Bolero and stuff. I did pick up cotton rounds. I use these for makeup removal, toner, whatever. I do plan on soon in the future I'm going to try to go to reusable cotton rounds. Bolero had the Rosewater and Aloe facial wipes today, and the watermelon and sweet mint. And I didn't need any more makeup wipes, but the packaging, and I know the scents I'm going to love, so I picked these two up. I also got the Rosewater and Aloe facial mask and the Rosewater and Aloe bath bombs. As for new makeup items, I got the LA Colors base coat and top coat. I loved this as a base coat, so I picked up another one. I bought some new LA Colors face products, so I thought I would just grab a primer too while I was at it. And I got the smoothing face primer. So it's supposed to minimize pores. And then I found these Maybelline lippies, and I actually picked up 2 of these, but the other one I cannot find, so it probably fell out of my buggy, which I'm really bummed about. Wicked Berry. And these are liquid vivid lipsticks. They had a gray, a light purple, and this purple, and I thought, what a pretty ombre, a light purple and this purple. But as you can tell, it's grown legs and ran away, the other one. So that's that. So this was my Dollar Tree haul, friends. I am so happy with all the cool things I found today. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, as well as check the description box for additional links.